guys, I hope you all are doing well. I welcome you all to land in the shopping zone of QuiTwist. Guys, this is not my website. I am here to analyze the site and aware you with the genuine and authentic QuiTwist reviews. The review will going to decide whether the site is legit or scam. So just stay connected with us. Let's review the website. Let's start with the procedure. Guys, as you can look at the home page, it spokes out every minute detail about the product, its usage and more. As you know, the cotton earbuds are dangerous and can harm your ears. So guys, visit the website to know more about the innovative product. Guys, the product is quite popular among the customers and it's being used by thousands of users. You can easily watch out the product videos on YouTube and in every social media platforms. The product usage and its product are available somewhere, so you can go through them. The website speaks about QuiTwist. It says it extracts earwax in a new and innovative way with the QuiTwist wax removal. Unlike cotton swabs, the soft spiraled and grooved head on the QuiTwist captures the wax with a small twist. It's painless, safe and easy to use. Its benefits are it's simple to use, convenient, unlimited usage, comfortable, save money and 100% safe. So guys, according to me, the product and the website seems to be legit because as per my research, the customers are satisfied with the product and they are using it and they doesn't facing any side effects yet. Some of are having problem in using the product because they didn't know the procedure of using it. But with YouTube knowledge or with our reviews, they're going to get the cup of knowledge. The product has a great selling records and it is being delivered by Flipkart, Shopclue and many e-commerce websites. So guys, now if you wanted to remove the wax, this is an optimum way for you. It is affordable, pocket friendly and as per your convenience, it is available on the digital platform. The benefits of products are available on the websites. There are FAQs question available for your convenience. So in my opinion, the site is legit. Guys, if you're still facing problems, then the review will help you out and it will aware you with all the benefits and all the pointers that are important for you. So if you love the product, you can easily grab it from the e-commerce websites, from the official website of the product. Even the customer reviews in the website says that the product is used by their family members. It is easy to use, came in fast. The product is effective, efficient and has great customer service. It works great. They are using it happily. Even the additional advantages there for you all. You will going to get 50% discount plus shipping if you order it as early as you can. So guys, do share and like the video. Do comment and give your reviews about the product as it will help thousands of users to know about the authenticity of the product. Because your reviews will finally decide the legitimacy of the product. Your comments are very precious and do comment, maybe positive or maybe negative, it depends upon you. So guys, if you want to have more information like this or about any other products, do subscribe our channel and have a great day ahead.